Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can add Groovy Bot to your Discord server. So go to Safari and search Groovy Bot invite, and then on the first one, groovy.bot, tap on that, and then here log into your Discord account. Give your password here and then tap login. Now select a server and then tap continue. Now authorize it, and now go to your Discord server. Now go to your member list. See, your Groovy Bot is added. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.